I'm Jeannie, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that forms the backbone of successful businesses and workplaces: organizational behavior. Organizational behavior, often referred to as OB, is like the DNA of an organization. It's the study of how individuals and groups behave within an organization, and how their behavior impacts the overall dynamics. You see, understanding organizational behavior is essential because it helps us unravel the mysteries behind why people do what they do at work. It's all about delving into the psychology, sociology, and management aspects that shape the way organizations function. Definition: organizational behavior is the academic study of how people interact within groups. The principles of the study of organizational behavior are applied primarily in attempts to make businesses operate more effectively. Understanding organizational behavior, OB. The study of organizational behavior includes areas of research dedicated to improving job performance, increasing job satisfaction, promoting innovation, and encouraging leadership. Each has its own recommended actions, such as reorganizing groups, modifying compensation structures, or changing methods of performance evaluation. Where it is origin. The study of organizational behavior has its roots in the late 1920s, when the Western Electric Company launched a now famous series of studies of the behavior of workers at its Hawthorne Works plant in Cicero, Illinois. The Hawthorne study aimed to improve employee work quality and psychology, focusing on unique psychological factors. Over time, organizational behavior expanded, with logistics and management science studies solidifying rationalist approaches. Today, studies explore cultural components, such as race, class, and gender roles, influencing group building and productivity. OB study methods. Organizational behavior can be studied using various methods, including surveys, interviews, observations, case studies, experiments, and experiments. Surveys gather quantitative data on attitudes, behaviors, and perceptions, while interviews analyze experiences and perceptions. Observations and case studies examine real-life situations, while experiments study changes in employee disposition by manipulating variables. Organizational behavior and HR. Organizational behavior is an especially important aspect to human resources. By better understanding how and why individuals perform in a certain way, organizations can better recruit, retain, and deploy workers to achieve its mission. What are the four elements of organizational behavior? The four elements of organizational behavior are people, structure, technology, and the external environment. By understanding how these elements interact with one another, improvements can be made. While some factors are more easily controlled by the organization, such as its structure or people hired, it still must be able to respond to external factors and changes in the economic environment. What are the three levels of organizational behavior? The first is the individual level, which involves organizational psychology and understanding human behavior and incentives. The second level is groups, which involves social psychology and sociological insights into human interaction and group dynamics. The top level is the organizational level, where organization theory and sociology come into play to undertake systems-level analyses and the study of how firms engage with one another in the marketplace. That is enough for introduction to OB. We'll uncover the secrets to fostering a positive work environment, enhancing employee satisfaction, and boosting productivity. Plus, we'll discuss real-world case studies that highlight the do's and don'ts of effective organizational behavior. So, get ready to embark on a journey of discovery with us. Whether you're an aspiring leader, a curious student, or simply someone looking to enhance your understanding of the world of work, this series is tailor-made for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our upcoming episodes on organizational behavior. Trust me, you won't want to miss this.